This is the Focusrite Vocaster One, and how good does it sound going into your phone? Well, we're about to find out, but before we do that, let's just have a look all around. We have a headphone jack right there, and let's look at the buttons on the front. Okay, we have a volume control right there, and 3 features that will enhance your voice. You also have a mute button. You have a level control right here. The buttons feel soft. There's no clicking or anything. Very, very soft to the touch. Same thing here. And let's look at the back. So here's all your connectivity. If you have XLR mic, you're going to want to plug it in right there. You also want to turn on your phantom power. And by the way, the speckles are just the design. This is what they went with, so it's not that it's dirty. It's just that's the design that they went for. Here's a power button. Okay, this USB-C is for power, so you need to connect this to power in order for it to work. And then you also have this 1/4 inch out to your speakers if you're using monitors. And then here, this one is for your camera, and then this one here, this is out to your phone. So depending on your needs, this is how you're gonna use it to get it all plugged in. So let's jump into it. First, we're gonna try it with the phone and see exactly what that sounds like. So let's plug it in. Let's hear it. We have now connected all of our cables. So we have power. It's going into the power, and we have our XLR microphone. And for this example, we're going to be using the AKG microphone, and then we also have our headphones plugged in right here. We do need an adapter, so if you have a small mini stereo, you're going to need an adapter. So that's what this is. I'll show it to you right now. There it is. Okay, let's connect that. And then, so let's talk about some of these buttons now that we have our microphone connected. So as you can see, as I'm talking, it's green, and I can turn up the volume if I don't hear myself very well. But if I go too much, it's clipping. It actually goes into the red, and if it's way too much like that, it's going to be red at the top. So we don't want it to be like that. We want to bring it back down to a normal level. And in here, we can adjust our volume of what's coming out to the headphones, so I can hear myself through the headphones. This is an enhancement, so if we tap on that, the enhancement is gone. If we tap on that, it adds a little bit of enhancement. Here, it's a volume control, so you can either mute it there, but you can also mute the whole thing right there, and everything turns red. Make sure that you have your phantom power turned on. If it's an XLR mic, make sure that that's turned on in the back, and then we're ready to go. So let's record something, and we'll take it from there. Okay, here's my setup for the Vodcaster One. So I have a headphone out, and in the back, you might think that you're connected with this connection right here for the phone, but actually I didn't do that. So I used the cable that came with the Vodcaster One. I used the cable that came with it. Here's my XLR microphone that's connected to it. Phantom power is turned on to 48, and then this is the magic right here. This is the AKG Lightning adapter, and the Focusrite cable is going into where the camera icon is, and then this is going into the power, which is the power sources right there. That's the power source, and it's going into this part of the AKG adapter. So now let's listen to the quality of the Vodcaster in conjunction with the setup that I have, and we'll listen to the video of that right now. Okay, we are now listening to the audio of the AKG microphone. Audio check 1 2 3. We have connected the AKG adapter, and it's going into USB-C. We're using the proper cable that came with the Vodcaster. So now you're listening to my voice. We're actually using the iPhone, and we didn't need to connect to any of the little mini stereo outs, so that worked out perfectly. Audio check 1 2 3. Focusrite Vocaster One.